Nung una medyo ano siya, hindi naman ayaw kung ayaw, palaway. But he was a distant star. Pero sa kakita namin the many times that we have met and discussed, nagkaroon kami ng rapport, hanggang nagkaroon kami ng kaibigan, hanggang naging personal na ang pagkakaibigan namin. Kung ngayon, sabi ko, Mr. President, wala man kami ikalaban sa iyo ng gano'n. Kaya hindi ko lang I cannot relate to you exactly what happened. Pero ayaw ko rin sabihin yung mga tao na nandoon kasama ko Pilipino. When I was there in China the other month, nagbakasyon lang ako. I did not know that I was before arriving sa airport sa China, there was already an instruction from the national Chinese government to the locals. Yung sa airport na gusto makipag-usap si President Xi Jinping. So pag tanong ko sa airport, binitawan ko na kaagad yung naka-line up na appointments ko. Sabi ko, I've been summoned by the President of China. So napunta ako. Kaibigan kami. Wala mang magpakumbaba ka lang.
Yes, sir.
So, story hurry. Pero ang storya namin hanggang doon lang. Kaming dalawa lang. Nagkukumustahan. He never ask how is your... Wala. Kaya yan ang pinasa ko dito pagbalik ko. Pinatawag ako. Alam mo na kung sino. Pinatawag ko doon what was discussed. Sinabi ko. Wala nga pangalan na binanggit eh. Kami lang dalawa talaga ng istorya. Sabi ni maligaya ka ba? Sabi niya, okay ka? Okay man ako. Maligaya ka sa, are you being treated by everybody, by your wife, and your enemies? Okay lang ako. Kumusta lang. Sabi nga, and I value that friendship kasi hindi mo makuha yan basta-basta. Ngayon itong gulo, the trivial things that are happening now between our two countries. Gusto nila ako makialam, sabi ko. This is a capital ko to eh. This is personal political capital which I will use kung kailangan na talaga. Hindi ko pagsayangan. I will not dissipate it by wasting it, using it in some other trivial matters which you guys can very well solve. Gamitin ko lang ito pag sabi ko sa kanila, yung problemahin ninyo yan. Yung West Philippine Sea, sa SPC, tubig mo lang yan. Sabi ko, ilang galon pa kailangan ng China, ibigay mo. Bakit hakutin yan lahat ng tubig dyan? Wala namang establish a boundary line. For what? Unless, of course, it becomes excessively pronounced in the sense that it would... we would take it to mean as a claim of territoriality. Ibang istorya na yan. Yan, nagpapaturo na sila, standby sila dyan. So, magpunta na ako kay President Xi Jinping. Sir, bakit naman ganon? Hindi naman, it's almost a claim of ownership. Kung mag-standby ka na dyan, para bang you put a delineation between the Philippines and... Pero kung magpaturo lang dyan, sige, mag-aksaya ka ng gasolina. Marami ka mga gasolina. Wala man tayo. Why would I mind you? Ano ang makuha niya? Isda? Sige, makuha ka naman. Marami namang isda dyan. Matambaka. Pating, kung gusto mo, ubusin mo. Ganyan lang yan. No, I would not really try to overplay the situation nor overuse or ako yung I have this kind of hindi ko hold. It's not I'm not holding anyone. It's I own this political stock as a former president which I can use to.
So hanggang ngayon, Mayor, your friendship with President Xi Jinping is very close, very strong.
Oo, inimbita ko nga siya. Sabi ko, makain ka doon sa amin kasi si Prime Minister Abiy, the late Prime Minister Abiy, punta sa Davao, nakain man siya dyan sa bahay ko. Kaliit-liit ng bahay ko eh. Kumain kami dyan.
Amid the success of the resupply mission in Ayungin Shoal last Friday, Senator Robin Padilla questioned the presence of the U.S. Navy's P-8 Poseidon. In the Senate Committee on National Defense's hearing, Padilla confronted the Philippine Coast Guard.
Hindi ba po dapat na kayo ang dapat nagpapatrol doon? Para po nyo bang inaamin na hindi nyo kayang pangalagaan ang ating dagat at kailangan natin ng US Navy?
Kinakaya po natin. We are mastering the much needed courage, determination, and patriotism of our Coast Guard personnel in the area.
I have to be very